Continuing with Georg Simmel, we move on to his discussion of social structures. Social structure for him, we see that he talked very little directly about the large-scale structure of the society. उसका primary जो focus था वो patterns of interaction की बात कर रहे हैं. So he does not see society as something, a bigger organism. Nor he agreed with the conception that society is nothing more than a collection of isolated individuals. वो एक extreme है, ये दूसरी extreme है. So actually, Simmel adopted some intermediate position, conceiving of society as a set of interactions. So उसके ख्याल में जो society है it's simply the name for number of individuals who are connected, let's say, with each other with some relationship, who have some relationship, who have some interaction. अगर interaction नहीं है तो probably he is not calling it as a society. In much of his work, Simmel operated as a realist, as if society were a real material structure. तो उसके ख्याल में society जो है ये individual and lives of its इससे ऊपर है. So it transcends the individual and lives its own life which follows its own laws. अब यहाँ पर वो कह रहा है कि society जो है उसके अपने laws हैं. It continues. Individuals may come and go, but society continues. It has its own laws, and these laws might continue. Of course, there are possibilities of changes in the laws. As we discussed earlier, कि ये जो laws हैं, these are created by the people. That might be part of the objective culture, but these are created by the people. They continue. Individuals might come and go. They might make changes in them as well. But certainly, it confronts the individual with a historical imperative firmness. और ये उसके ऊपर let us say control करते हैं और उसका behavior उसके मुताबिक. So there are larger super individual structures. और ये larger super individual structures वही हैं जिसको आप state कह सकते हैं, जिसको आप कोई clan कह सकते हैं, जिसको आप city state कह सकते हैं. उसमें फैमिली भी हो सकती है, उसमें कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी हो सकती है, उसमें कोई प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी हो सकती है, ट्रेड यूनियन हो सकती है. तो ये मिसाल के तौर पर ये ट्रेड यूनियन विल कंटिन्यू, पीपल माइट कम एंड गो, एंड देन ट्रेड यूनियन हैज इट्स ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस which might govern the interaction patterns of its members. So these structures are an outcome of the interaction of the people. So on the basis of their interaction, these structures emerge. Maybe these are needed because interaction is at a bigger society is not between two persons. It becomes an interaction with the number of individuals, and when number of individuals comes, वो डेफिनेटली ना तो वो डाइएड है ना ट्राइएड है, तो उसके बाद फिर स्ट्रक्चर्स बनेंगी और ग्रुप्स बनेंगे और उसमें फिर हायरार्की भी आएगी, वो पैटर्न्स भी और रिलेशनशिप भी आएंगे. सो दे स्टिल attain autonomy and permanency and confront the individual as if they were alien powers. Confront the individual. ये तो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन तो चलेंगे, वो सोसाइटी के साथ चलेंगे. इंडिविजुअल्स माइट बी कमिंग एंड गोइंग, मे बी न्यू पर्सन्स एंटरिंग इन दिस सोसाइटी, एंड दे हैव टू बी गवर्न्ड बाय द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी. सो that is more powerful than the individuals. So as such, the human beings appear as passive objects rather than as live and willing actors. So theoretically यही नज़र आ रहा है कि that is more powerful और they are more passive. अगर ये वो पुरानी बात फिर आ रही है कि यही नॉर्म्स, यही पैटर्न्स, यही रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, यही थियरीज जो हैं, जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट जो कल्चर है, वो ideologies जो हैं, वो created by the people, then they govern the individuals. So they might, in that situation, become, let us say, cruel to the individual. उसमें compassion शायद नहीं रहेगा, so they treat them equally. So that kind of situation is contradictory. It becomes paradoxical. So that is how he talks about the social structures, how they emerge out of the interactions of the people, how the society is there, and there are different social structures, and how they govern the individual. Social structures created by the people, okay, by the individuals, and then that very social structure govern the behavior of the individual or interactions of the individual. And that is where the contradiction comes, and that is what he talks about. It's a paradoxical situation.